In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "There has been an error" message in Microsoft Store. Many Windows users see this error when opening the Microsoft Store or while trying to download apps and games. I'll show you several fixes that usually solve the problem. Let's get started. Close Microsoft Store. Click the Windows search. Search for Sreset. Open Sreset. A command prompt window will appear. Wait for it to close automatically. Microsoft Store should open again. If the error is still there, click the Windows search. Search for Microsoft Store. Right-click Microsoft Store. Select App Settings. Scroll down. Click Repair. Wait for the process to finish. Open Microsoft Store again. If the problem continues, go back to App Settings. Scroll down again. Click Reset. Click Reset one more time to confirm. Keep in mind, resetting the app won't uninstall Microsoft Store. It only clears its cache and restores the default settings. Wait for the reset to finish. Then open Microsoft Store again. If you're still getting the error, restart your computer. Then try opening Microsoft Store again. The error should now be fixed. That's it. You now know how to fix the "There has been an error" message in Microsoft Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.